And a lot of people say, hey, Attorney Radner, I got full coverage. What's the problem? What does that really mean, full coverage? Well, it can mean a lot of different things to a lot of people. Let's talk about what you really need versus what people say. So full coverage, sure, can include collision, include some liability coverage. But I'm here today to talk to you about the most important coverage any motorcyclist should be thinking about, worried about, and that's something called underinsured motorist coverage. Everybody's going to start taking out their policies and looking and seeing what's going on and saying, oh yeah, I got $20,000 in coverage, that's great. No, it's not. $20,000 in underinsurance coverage will do you nothing. That's a state minimum. That's only going to come into play if someone who doesn't have any insurance at all causes your accident and causes you injury. And lo and behold, you've got a whopping $20,000 in coverage available to you to cover all of your pain and suffering, your lost wages, your medical expenses, everything. And if you really think about us riding, that's just not enough. Simply not enough. So you gotta buy the most you can afford. Don't just get the minimum. Buy as much as you can. Let's see what this guy's gonna do. On his phone. That's always nice. Another one on his phone. What happens is people come to the office and go, hey, Sam, everybody knows they got to pay for my damages that caused the accident. You know, he left turned me. They say, yeah, well, that's a good theory, but can he really afford to do it? So the best way to do things is to protect yourself, because no one cares about motorcyclists except other motorcyclists. So we got to watch out for each other, and we got to make sure we have the right insurance. So let me tell you how it works. It works this way in Massachusetts. It works this way in Connecticut, and some in Enfield right now. Works similar. There's some differences, but we'll stay with the similarities. So first, in order to get at your underinsured motorist coverage, you have to get the other side to pay its full limits. So if the defendant only has $20,000 in coverage, then you got to get the defendant to pay the $20,000 and then make a claim against your own policy. And then people say, whoa, I don't want to do that. I'm not making a claim against my own policy. I pay enough for insurance. That's going to jack up my rate. Well, it doesn't. It's not supposed to. It only is not a basis to jack up your rate. You paid for that coverage to have it, and that's it. You can go. You can go. 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 Another one on his phone. Isn't it a beautiful thing? Pretty good ride. I've seen 3 people on their cell phones not paying attention and an accident. And I've only been gone maybe 10 minutes. Sweet. It's going to be... Cases come in where people bought $250,000 in underinsurance coverage for their car and then bought $20,000 for their motorcycle. And I'm like, what are you doing? It's like you should have that completely reversed. The odds of you having such a bad car accident where you need that $250 versus a bad motorcycle accident, let's just face facts. God bless. Leave your post. If you have any questions, like I said, I'll try to answer them. Just leave them in the comments underneath the video. Until next time.